Hello, my name is Julie Meek and I'm a sports dietitian. We are about to make crispy lentil, roasted pumpkin and feta salad. The great thing about legumes is that they are full of lots of great stuff. They've got resistant starch, which is really important for good gut health. They've got a lot of fibre, which is also important for that, but they have vitamins and minerals and they're a really good way to introduce some more plant-based foods into our diet. So what we're going to do with this salad is really very simple, and all you need to do is have a couple of ingredients and a baking tray. And what you need to do, very simply, is line that baking tray with baking paper so nothing sticks to the bottom. So we have 3 ingredients that are going onto this tray and then into the oven. The first one is pumpkin, and it's been cubed probably to about 1 centimetre. That goes onto the tray. Then we have some red onion, which has been sliced not totally finely, but not thick either. And then lastly, we have a whole tin of brown lentils, and they're just going to be sprinkled on top of those 2 ingredients. And once they are roughly combined, we're just going to dress that with a little bit of olive oil so that when they roast, they can go nice and crispy. And then once you've got that oil in there, give that another stir around, and that's it. We're ready to put that into the oven for about 30 to 40 minutes. So now our pumpkin, lentils and onion are out of the oven. So all we're going to do now is grab the spinach leaves, place a few, however many you want to put on your plate, and then we're literally just going to add a serve of the pumpkin and the onion and the lentils. So once you've got those on top of your spinach leaves, all you need to do now is add one of my favourite foods in the whole world, which is feta cheese. So here we have our crispy lentil, roasted pumpkin and feta salad. It is so easy for you to make, and coupled with that spinach and the feta drizzled on top, it is an absolutely perfect lunch or even a dinner. For full instructions and ingredients, check out the description listed in this video.